guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. This video is for all the lovers out there. This is my first Valentine's Day look that I filmed. I just wanted to do something that was very soft and pretty and pink, and this is what I came up with. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel so you guys can see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this Valentine's Day look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I already primed my eyes and I did it just with some concealer, and I did my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and taupe. Today I'm going to be using this pretty palette right here. It's called Blush Crush from Colourpop. And since I'm going to be doing like a soft, pretty look, I felt like this palette was perfect. This is what she looks like. Beautiful! The first shade I'm going to pick up is the One, which is this shade. Just want to say thank you for all your guys' suggestions for a Valentine's Day look. One of them was the classic, you know, like a smokiness with a red lip, which I'm gonna do next time for you guys. I decided I'm gonna do two looks because this is kind of like a more like soft, pretty look, go-to look for Valentine's Day, and then I think the other one is gonna be more on the sultry, like sexy side. You know, that kind of Valentine's Day date. Trying to give the people what they want, you know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Made You Blush, which is this middle shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that into my actual crease. If you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day, let me know in the comments what you guys are up to. If you have a date, if you have a Galentine's, which I've done before, hella fun. Now I'm gonna add just this shade right here, Cheek to Cheek, on the corner, just to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm going to use this Alexi medium angled shading brush. I remember in high school for Valentine's Day, I used to like make cookies and like hand them out to all my good friends. Cookies and candy and just like, only to my besties, you know? One of my girlfriends, I just met up with her, we were talking about how we used to spend Valentine's Day together. Like, we met at a bank and then we spent like a Valentine's Day together because they had a training in Chatsworth. And then ever since then we kind of just always spent it together. She spent it with me all the time until I got into a relationship. Last year she spent it with me too. I'm gonna go ahead and place this enamored, however the hell you say it, this shade on my lid. Okay, so now that I have that shade down, I did want to add a little bit of glitz, give the look a little bit something extra, and so I'm gonna go in with some NYX Glitter Brilliance. So first I'm going to lay down some glitter glue, and I'm going to do the glitter right above the crease so then you guys can see it. I'm just going to go in with my NYX glitter primer. I'm just going to take this little brush right here. I'm just going to dip into, just going to place a little bit on my lid. It's going right above the crease. I'm just tapping this. Tap it right on the glue. I'm just gonna flick it out a little bit. You can see like it's just like a little line of glitter and just gives it like a little something extra. So now I'm gonna apply some lashes and a liner off camera, and then I'll come right back to show you guys the rest of the look. Okay guys, so for lashes I went ahead and did Lunar Angel lashes in the style Supernova, and then I also did some wings with Hank and Henry Blackety Black liquid eyeliner, and then I also applied Milk's Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and now I'm ready to try this new Morphe foundation, which I'm super stoked about. It's the Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. This is medium to full coverage. It's long wearing, natural finish, and hydrates, skins, and blurs imperfections for the ultimate soft focus glow. I mean, look. Well, let's see about that, okay? I also like that it's very hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a moisture booster, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and glycerin, a hydrator for healthy looking glow. Those all sound good. Let's see how she goes. It's awesome because I went to Ulta today And I've been wanting to try this primer. It's $20. I mean, oh, why can't I open this? Okay, I've been excited to try this foundation because it's new. And when I went into Ulta today, it was right in front. It's only $20. And then what got me was, if you bought the foundation, you got this free brush with it, which I'm excited about. This is what it comes on. It's a glass component. Looks very nice. I like the look. It's a little sexy. It comes with a little pump. And let's see what this color looks like. I think that's pretty on point. And I picked this one myself, so I'm super proud about that. Because you know, sometimes matching foundations can be tricky, especially now because in the Ulta stores you can't even like use the displays because of COVID. Damn, this is a nice big brush. I like that. This is in the shade Filter Light 8. Number 8. I believe this one is light to medium with golden undertones. So far so good, I would say. But I love this brush. This is an awesome brush. I think it said that it was valued at $16. So I mean, go to Ulta, guys, if you want to try the foundation, because then you get a free brush with it, which I thought was super cool. I'm such a sucker for a good deal. I was like, sold. Now moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin Finish. And this is in the shade Fair Warmth. What I like to do is also, if there's any excess, I like to drag it back to the cheekbone just to create that little bit of that line. Looking a little pale right now and I'm feeling a little bit daring, so I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour today, and I'll be using LA Girl's Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee, and just outline perimeters of my face, and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm picking this up on a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I like to stamp it on and then go back in and blend it out. Blend up because you don't want to blend down, otherwise you'll drag your face down and we don't want that. You want to make sure you always blend into the hairline. Now for setting powder, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent Honey, and just set where I did the concealer. I'm just tapping into my skin. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with e.l.f. This is their primer infused bronzer, like this. This is the new bronzer I got. I'm excited to try it. I'm just going to go over the places that I put my cream contour. And I like to tap and then blend. The only thing that I've noticed about the foundation is that it does crease a little bit, especially in my smile line area. So I have to go in with the Beauty Blender and smooth it out. I'm gonna try setting it again to see if that makes a difference. I'm just gonna maybe let it bake a little bit. Maybe that'll make a difference. And then I'm gonna sharpen my contour just a little bit more. For blush, I'm also using e.l.f., which is also a primer infused blush, and this is in the shade Always Cheeky, which I can relate to. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away my bake. I'm gonna go back in with this palette, and I'm going to pick up Made You Blush. Smoke her out. She looking real cute now. I also want to give it a little pop of something something, so I'm gonna go back in with this palette and I'm gonna pick up Pop a Bottle, you know, because that's what you should be doing on Valentine's Day. For all you lovers out there, popping bottles. Popping bottles with my lover, with your lover. Color is so pretty, the inner corner, oh my gosh. I love this shade. For a highlighter, I'm going to be using Anastasia Glow Kit Sun Dipped, and I'm going to go into, I'll do these two, Moonstone and Summer. Let's mix them up. Okay, now for setting spray, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay. I used to not like the smell of that, but now I like it kind of. That's weird. And now for lips, I'm going to be using Patrick Ta lip liner. She's hard to get. Line my lips. And to top it off, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty, my little mini that I got the other day. And this is in the shade Ruby Milk. It smells so bomb. Obviously, for Valentine's Day, you can't really kiss with these glossy lips, but you could leave it just with the lip liner, you'd be good to go. Please let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day with your significant other, your girlfriends, guy friends, all that good stuff. Just stay safe out there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Channel. Suit. Concealer? No, good thing I didn't wipe that on my freaking face. Oh wait, I already did that. Just kidding.